Hey guys, Super Bowl Sunday, Life of an Entrepreneur. We're here as our short-term rental. Renovation's probably 90% done, maybe even closer to 95%. But I'll show you guys inside, and I'll show you where the reason why I had to come out here. We're probably into this $30,000 to $40,000. So we got our security camera, new address. So eventually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually paint all of these pilings. Yes, the house is raised. Someone asked me that. Potential of flood in this area. We're gonna paint it all white, so it's gonna look really nice. Had an artist put Instagrammable mural here. I always like to reference the city. So Gulf Shore. Second camera, that's all we got. We got two cameras. Garage is pretty much cleaned up. Got the rest of the appliances. Once those are gone, the garage will be clean. We're not sure what to do here. We're probably gonna leave some items for the guests to take to the beach. Still need to get a new wagon. And I'll show you the backyard, what we're gonna do. We did make this garage door like Wi-Fi, so I can actually open it from home if I need to give the guests access to the garage. Put this here so that way they can't turn my cameras off. Backup system in case our door locks don't work. Really like this right here. We used to have a shower right here. You could kind of still see it's a little dirty, but that thing was about to fall off. But really excited about this right here, and it's hot and cold, so I sort of like that hot, nice privacy here. So let's go ahead and close that. So what we're gonna do, so that orange thing is my property line. We're actually gonna build a wall very similar to this right here, and then paint it white. So we're gonna go all the way out there, and then close it off here, and we're gonna put sand, pretty much a sandbox over here. So this is gonna be a huge area for our guests, so they don't have to walk to the beach. The beach is just over there. It's probably a 3-minute walk, but if they would just want to hang out here, they could do that. And we're gonna put a barbecue area here, and then we're gonna have cornhole. Guests love cornhole. So here's the reason why I came over: is the elevator. My I was getting appliances delivered, and they broke my damn elevator. I don't know what they were doing. It was a liability waiting to happen. I'm kind of happy that it happened now versus later on down the future. I'm happy nobody got hurt, but the appliances, that company, they've assumed responsibility, so they're going to take it down next week. Kind of sucks. It's in a really expensive elevator. The owner just put in, previous owner, this box is worth probably $1,000, but I got no use for it, so we got to get rid of that. Decided to keep this carpeting just because I found out that people track in sand all the time from the beach, so this keeps my place clean. This is the door. We got to repaint this door, so just has some rust. It doesn't look as smooth as I like. Schlegon code, I know everybody's having a hard time finding those. That was a pretty easy install. All new light fixtures all throughout. Really like how those came out. Kind of cleaned up a lot of the electric work. So, all right, we'll start here in the kids' bedroom. Really like how this came out here. 2 twins, new beds, new frames, new nightstand, old lamp. Simpsons arcade game from Best Buy. We really like that. That box is actually my cornhole setup. New pieces of furniture throughout, and then I like to soften it up with some plants. We put ceiling fans all throughout. Only thing I don't like about this, I really worry about it, is it's on a remote and guests could lose it. And then what if like the fan is like on 3 and they lost the remote? So that's the only thing. So let's just turn that off. So that's bedroom number 1. This right here is actually our HVAC. The downstairs, I had to get that fixed also because you have Wi-Fi thermostats, and my Wi-Fi thermostat was off. This is master bedroom number 1. We really like it. The king size bed, new box springs, new headboard, new lamps, I like these sconces, came out pretty cool. New plants, that's actually an old end table. You guys remember the mirror? Put it over here. New sign, some decorations. That's actually an old piece of furniture, brand new TV. Same ceiling fans here. Stackable washer dryer. This is the only one we're going to give guests access to. We actually have 2 washer dryer units on the property, but we're only going to give them access to that. Eventually we're going to change the flooring all throughout. This is some like really cheap linoleum. Bathroom, didn't really do much here. New curtain, new fixtures, some new artwork. Fixed the pocket doors. They didn't have locks before, so guests could like just walk in on everyone. You could be on the toilet and people come in. Didn't do much in here. Just bought a new piece of artwork. Eventually I'll probably change the vanity. I did get a new faucet and new handles. Same faucet here, same handles here, just to soften it up. Soften it up a little bit more with the laundry basket. So this room is pretty cool. So we got the air hockey table from Costco. That's like $700. We have it in our first short-term rental, and guests absolutely love it. We got our Instagrammable mural right over here with Gulf Shores. New couch, new table, new artwork, new sign. I bought the plant, so I did do something in here. New curtains, new TV. That is an old console, but I do put cable. I provide 2 cable boxes in my short-term rentals. That's an Eero Pro. I highly recommend it. I actually have like 3 or 4 of them here. So that way Wi-Fi is not an issue. Wet bar here. Can't decide if we're gonna put our ice maker here or not, or like a wine cooler. So that way guests love to drink around here. So, you know, we want them to have their cold drinks. This deck is massive, brand new deck, changed it out, safety issues are addressed. Polywood furniture is up. That was pricey too. It's kind of hard to get a hold of these pieces. Everyone's out of stock. I did this yesterday. So I had an artist come and put Gulf Shores, Alabama, the hangout deck, and it bothered me. I didn't like it. So I changed it out, kept it nice and simple. Same light fixtures throughout. These are 2 full beds, so we can sleep 4 people in here. Like how it came out. New bed, new headboard, new end table, same old lamp actually. That's that's from the previous owner. I got some more. I like fake plants. And here's my QR codes. I actually have like maybe 5 or 6 of them throughout. That gets them to my direct booking website and a lot of other how-to videos. And then they could scan it and get onto the Wi-Fi. This room doesn't have a closet, so I bought this thing here on, I think, Amazon, $100 or so. So they could hang their clothes. My interior designer did a good job and found this piece to kind of complement it. I put a brand new 43-inch TV. All right, let's walk upstairs. So eventually we're gonna change. This is the only carpeting we have. We'll change that out too. Right, huge transformation up here. Cleaned it up a lot. That's actually the same couch. We actually steam cleaned it. Cost me $200 to clean it. I think it has 2 or 3 more seasons in it. It's actually really comfortable. Got new cushions. I like them a lot. New tables, new console, new TV. I got this cheap little fireplace from Home Depot. It actually spits out quite a bit of heat. These blinds are pretty much the same ones. I did replace a couple of them. There used to be a couch over here, so we actually, one thing with short-term rentals, you want to make it to where people can do their work from a distance, just as long as you have strong Wi-Fi. Okay, so here's where the drama happened. We were installing new appliances because I wanted to go with stainless steel, and they couldn't take that elevator up those tiny, well, it's kind of narrow, the stairs. So they wanted to use the elevator. They didn't know how to use the elevator. They broke it. Now we had to get a crane to deliver the refrigerator. New microwave. Same kitchen cabinets. They're kind of cheap, so I think I'll change them out after 2 or 3 seasons. New plates, new handles, new knives, new electric stove. It's also a convection oven. Pantry. It's actually pretty large pantry. We cleaned it up a lot, got rid of a lot of clutter. Right. This was a wet bar. We turned it into like a coffee bar. We really like how it came out. There's my QR codes in case people don't know how to use certain things. There's videos there that show them how to use that. Because there's an ice maker. Ice maker right here. Most people don't know how to use it. It's pretty simple. There's just an on-off button and then how big you want the ice cubes. But people will have questions and people will probably jack it up. New light fixture. This is actually covering an electric panel that was here. A new egg chair. I was gonna put something Instagrammable here, I just didn't have time. New furniture piece, new console, new TV, new bed, new headboard, new sheets, new rug, new artwork, new sconces, new side tables. Everything in this room is brand new. There is no closet here, so this is kind of like a temporary situation until I figure that part of it out. This is my owner's closet. So I do have another washer dryer up here. I'm not gonna give guests access to that. Bathroom. So if that elevator didn't go bad, I was gonna change this shower. I'm gonna tile it and do something special with it. Right now, it's just pretty sad. Pretty sad. And then probably I'll change that vanity out. Just make it more modern. All right, let me show you guys the deck. So we did address some safety issues. We got rid of the carpet. There was some carpet out here. Feels nice and secure now. Railing is nice and sturdy. No one's gonna fall and try to sue me. Well, they'll probably still fall, but they can't blame that on me because I made it safe. I bought more polywood furniture, so this cost me like $2,600. Really sturdy. It's actually higher because when you're out, so they could see. Mardi Gras actually is March 1st, and they actually will be right here on Beach Boulevard. So you get a nice view of Mardi Gras. Oh, so we did put Wi-Fi thermostats throughout. I got the Honeywell T9. There's an upstairs and a downstairs one. And there's a small deck out here. So I'm gonna have 2 chairs over here. Not really much room. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna just secure these gates to where you can't open and close them because we're gonna get rid of the elevator. See how bad this elevator is. They messed it up pretty bad. It's coming off like the deck. I'm just, like I said, I'm glad nobody got hurt. I'm glad they didn't take the whole deck down. It's pretty cool up here because you can actually see water views. That's actually the lake. That's Gulf Shore State Park. And eventually, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and enclose the entire backyard. So from here all the way across my property line and then over here, it's gonna be all sand, and then we're gonna put the string lights and then cornhole. So we're really excited about this place. Anyway, that's it, guys. Hope you guys have a good one.